The air filter of the Airvo 3 series should be replaced after either 3 months or 1,000 hours of use. The Airvo 3 will display a message when the air filter is due for replacement. You will need a new air filter pack. To begin, raise the filter cover. Push the filter removal tool down firmly into the low pressure oxygen inlet port to get the removal tool to grip. Hold down the air filter release button on the side of the Airvo 3. Pull up on the filter removal tool to remove the filter. Insert the new filter, pushing down until it clicks into place. Lower the filter cover for next use.